Hi everyone, it's Artem Levin, founder of Value Network Prediction Markets Protocol. And in this video, I would like to overview a presentation of our project so you can review it, check it by yourself, and get your thoughts together and ask us some questions. So first of all, let's focus on the executive summary. What are we actually doing? What are the problems of the market? Which solutions we offer? And what is the current stage of the project? So actually, in few simple words, the problem of the market is a huge amount of scams in the binary option industry, in the classic binary option industry. We'll figure out these problems just a bit later. The solutions of the project is an open source infrastructure, the third-party Oracle provider, and also the open community to which the participants can apply and easily ask the questions. To the current stage of the project, we have the product full ready. We had the first traction of 600,000 of the volumes of to the moment the traction of the project is $600,000 of volumes. It's 20,000 trades and more than 2,000 active traders on the protocol. The project is funded by angels and by friends and family round, and we're looking to raise a round $1.5 million into the Delaware entity. What are the potential markets here? So first of all, it's the market of the binary options. It's 60-80 billions yearly, and a lot of this traffic actually been scammed by these fake binary options providers, and we're here to solve that. DeFi is booming, and it's actually growing a lot, and to the February 2022, it's $250 billion in total value locked, and actually it's going to be trillions in a few years. Cryptocurrency markets, it's trillions of dollars actually on the cryptocurrency markets to the moment, and it's the market of derivatives. So derivatives is also a $1 trillion opportunity there of markets. So what do we actually offer? We offer the open source protocol in which you can check all the smart contracts. You can easily go to GitHub of our project or to the Etherscan, and you can check all the smart contracts that we're using and which are settling the bets of the users. So how the bets are actually settled and what is a binary option? So binary option is a dynamic form of a derivative in which the payout either nothing or some fixed amount. It's called also nothing at all or everything option. The settling the bets of the users is pretty easy. So you have first of all the asset, the strike price, and the time of expiration of a market. For example, you have Bitcoin and you're predicting whether it will be higher or lower than 100,000 in 3 months. And you have two pools there, higher pool and lower pool. And the winners get the funds of the losers. So it's a pretty easy proportion up there. If to go to the example that we previously said with the Bitcoin, if you are betting alone on a higher pool and you won, and on the other side of the pool you have $150, if you're alone in the pool, you are getting all this 150 on the lower side. If somebody joins you with another 100 on a higher pool, you will get $75 as you're gonna share the pool in the 50% proportion with another trader. What are other advantages of the protocol? So it also can be easily used from mobile. It's also auto markets there, so when you go to the protocol, you can always see active markets and you can actively participate in them. On-chain strategies is also an awesome tool to trade on prediction markets and to apply to your community to join and to get funds to trade on a bigger funds and actually generate a bigger yields up there. So what are on-chain strategies? It's a separate smart contract that tracks all the trades of the trader on the protocol and gets the P&L of the trader to the community. So everyone can check the data, it's on-chain, it's all transparent, so you can easily track which traders are actually winning on the prediction markets. Blockchain-based referral system is another unique feature that we have, which actually makes all the referral links that we're generating, making them applied to the blockchain wallets. So it's a pure transparent system which actually shows which referral link generate the yield for the protocol. So it's a pretty awesome tool to make the easy and scalable way to go-to-market for the project, and it can be easily tracking all the spendings that will be having on the marketing. So the instrument of a blockchain-based referral system is pretty easy. All the referral links are actually connected to the blockchain wallets. So you can have, for example, 100 marketing channels, and each of these channels will have the referral link there. So you can easily track which marketing investments is actually working for the protocol in an efficient way and which not. All the data in this integrated blockchain-based system is actually transparent and on-chain, so it will be providing a lot of value to the community and to the investors. So, what are actually the problems of the market? So first of all, it's unregulated and now unlawful brokers that are actually operating and scamming users. If you Google it by yourself, you can see a lot of cases when SEC, and other regulators actually charge these companies for fraud and unregulated activities. Also, it's all about aggressive and misleading marketing campaigns. Everybody knows these phone calls from the binary options, fake binary options brokers that are actually applying to you. It's been a huge problem of wash trades on in this system in these 10 years. Wash trades of the brokers actually is another huge problem which we're actually facing here. And binary option itself starting to be recognized as a scam, but it's not. It's actually a good financial instrument which can be used there with a proper tool which we actually provide into the community. So what are actually the solutions to these problems? So it's open source audited binary option smart contracts. So everyone in the community can actually check them on our GitHub or on Etherscan deployed, and you can see that we have no influence on the smart contracts and it's a fair game. Also, the smart contracts are actually connected to the Chainlink price oracle. So we're using the third-party oracle provider to provide the price feeds to the smart contracts. You can also see that we have in the open community in Telegram more than 2,000 people already, so join and ask us questions about the project itself. Also, a SAD blockchain-based referral system not only allows everyone in the community earn some split of commission from the protocol volumes when referring customers to the protocol, but also it shows the investors and for the company and for the project the ways in which marketing actually works, which is huge in crypto. Also, automatic and user-generated prediction markets are integrated on the protocol. So either the markets are creating themselves or users creating them depending on the parameters that they are setting. So what is actually the background of the project? So we started in crypto-backed loans based on smart contracts in 2018. So it was too early, and we tried to raise some VC money back in the days, but it was not successful depending on the downfall of the crypto. We restarted after the DeFi summit in September 2020, and since that launched the MVP in January 2021. We had a development grant from Kutum Foundation. We also took the 5th place on Binance Hackathon CIS in April 2021. The summer of 2021 been actually the summer of deployment. So we actually deployed the first iteration of the product. We deployed auto markets. It's also been done the first iterations on the marketing. So we tried more than 15 marketing channels. We have a lot of analytics based on that, and we have a huge prepared marketing plan for 25K of investments and 100K of investments to the moment. So we're actually heading to scale the product just right now. So what are actually the goals of this round? So 1.5 million, most of it will be spent on marketing. As said, the product is ready, the first adopters are ready and actually using the product market fit been actually found, and it's time to scale. So as we see it, more than 50% of the funds will be spent on marketing with this integrated blockchain-based referral system, which actually shows for you the truth where the marketing is actually applied better. The other costs will be surely for the development and for the next sprints on the protocol. a lot of features integrated, and also we see a lot of potential in making a DAO for our community, as said. And operational costs, liquidity, and unexpected will be another 30% as we see it. If we check the numbers, you can see that we're spending about 20-25K without scale, and we'll be spending 50-70K per month with scaling. So what are actually the customers of the protocol to the moment? It's mostly males, it's young males from two groups. It's the US and it's the underbanked communities. So we see two types of young male customers of this. In the US, they're efficient in the DeFi, they know yield protocols, they're looking for these yields and earnings. And from the underbanked communities like Nigeria, for example, or like Brazil or Southeastern Asia and the whole Africa, we see that they're making these small split trades just on a percentage of a cent, but they're using the protocol and they're integrating with it and they're whole mobile. So it's very interesting experiment to roll out to these communities either. The tactics for us to the moment is to have first 5,000 traders in the next few months, and also to have the volumes of more than $3 million on protocol in a month. So what are actually the streams of value? Why customers will be actually applying to the protocol and for what? They will be applying for yield on their funds and on their cryptocurrency funds. So first of all, it's hedging and speculation and arbitrage, the main use cases of each derivative which we're having on the market just right now. The second use case is experimental, it's on-chain strategies, using the automated smart contract that track all the bets of each trader and actually lets the traders to provide the track record on the protocol for their community and earn funds for them. The another experimental stream is providing liquidity on the protocol. We're trying to R&D and see the models in which the customers can actually provide the value on the protocol and get the split of commission back. Who are actually the competitors of ours? So first of all, it's Nadex. It's a regulated exchange in the US. It's DeFi projects like PancakeSwap and Plotex. And also it's the solutions that are semi-regulated and often being exposed by the scams. If we're talking about the token, in February 2022 we'll be implementing the new Tokenomics. So the total supply will be cut more than 30%. The vestings for the team are cut more than 90%, and the deflation added. So we're looking for that project for the new token, and we invite you to claim the new token on valleynetwork.live because it will be live in the next few weeks. If we're talking about the team, it's more than 10 people working full-time for the project. So we have 2 people in India working for the development of the product. We have 4 people in Europe, Russia, and other CIS countries working for the business development. We have the marketing team, and we also have the outsourcing team for the routine actions. So we're all ready to scale. And my personal background is 8 years in fintech. Started with microloan companies, then crypto projects way back from 2016, and more focused on Valley Network in 2018 and started the time since that.